Today we're going to carry out a continuity test, but more specifically a continuity test with the Fluke 1670 series multifunctional testers. If you're considering purchasing one of these testers or already have done, this video sets out the process of how to do it. I'm Mark from Fluke, here at PASS Limited's training centre in Teesside. Before we get started, I just wanted to note that safe isolation has already been completed prior to this demonstration. The circuit has been confirmed dead using a 2-pole tester and proving unit. Firstly, we need to attach the test lead securely to the Fluke 1674FC terminals, ensuring good connection and proper polarity. We will now demonstrate a continuity test on a ring circuit. You can perform a single continuity test by selecting continuity mode directly from the Fluke 1674FC's user interface. Connect the leads to the socket terminals to test the R1 value and press Test to obtain the measurement. Alternatively, if you have a preloaded test form uploaded from TruTest software, you can allocate the result directly to its relevant position within the circuit structure, ensuring streamlined documentation and accurate recording. Additional continuity tests such as R2 and R1 plus R2 can also be recorded in their respective columns, but today's focus is on the R1 measurement. We have successfully demonstrated that continuity testing compliant with the current 18th edition BS7671 using the Fluke 1674FC. For comprehensive and compliant testing, visit www.pass.co.uk.